Today is an attempt of a winter's flying day at a UK flying club. But first, some errands to run. Look at that sun. As you can see, there's a little bit of moisture around still. There are some challenges on UK roads. There's my windsock. Very much a welly day. Grim. Get the fire started. Okay, we've got kindling, lots of pallets of wood. A little bit of encouragement. I need to go and fill these up for generators, lights, mowers, etc. There's a strong smell of petrol in here. Well, the shed's not on fire. Job done. Your pot noodle's on fire, Phil.
I know. Oh dear. Most of it's gone on the table, but right, we just give that a little bit of help. Right, close the lid and come back to that in 3 minutes.
Hey, I could do my AndyRC videos on this new desk/door, Phil. Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be flying my Iflight Evoque F5 with DJI 3 and these goggle 2s, which I really don't like. They don't fit my face. Haha, how about that?
See if we can find Andy. Little black spot in the air. Oh, something went by. Was that you?
Might be.
Oh, there he goes again. Lost him. I daren't move my throttle stick. I'm redlining already.
I can see you.
Terrible.
I'm behind you. To remember not to throttle down when I get too close to you.
So he said if our batteries give up today, I've got an Iflight Optera, big flying wing in the car. That needs to be converted to FPV, put air unit on that. I think we're going to stick a little GoPro something on it, and he's going to chase it with his quad. As long as we've got some sunlight, then I think we'll do that, because our quad packs are not good today. But it's a sunny day, you've got to get out.
You have.
Look at that big yellowy, oh, look at that. I'll just recharge there. That's what we need. We need solar powered quads, that'd be a thing. Look weird, but I'd go for it. Look like a flying laptop.
You're slowly gaining height.
Pardon?
You're slowly gaining height.
Yeah, well, battery's only just able to cope with that. I'll keep it on the level. I'll gain a bit of height. My video feed's terrible. It's so blurry, I'll have to check my lens. Yeah, it's good to see this, see the green and brown again. Those trees look terrible, but no leaves to speak of. Oh, the greens. Bit of blue, bit of green, bit of brown, all for you. Long shadows. God, video, that's terrible.
It's a lot harder to follow these quads when they're so small compared to
You're
a
not trying
plane.
to follow me, are you?
Oh, I followed you all the way up there.
That's terrible.
You're just a little tiny
kill my
dot.
battery here. Ooh.
Whoa.
Yep, 13 something volts, not happy. Yeah, 14-ish.
This pack of mine's not too bad. There he is. Ground.
I really need, see, trouble is,
Surfing.
that many packs, if you storage charge everything, then the day is good to fly. You need to have like 3 or 4 multi-chargers on the go.
Yeah.
Otherwise you've got no packs to take. What a might. Let's see if I can gap that little thing there. Okay.
No, big branch.
Over the patch. Flashy red battery. Gate coming
Whoa.
up. Whoa, there's a black thing. Too fast. My battery's sweating. Go Gates.
Mine's
Stop,
sweating as
shiny
well.
new gates.
Just a 3-minute flight time. No 20-minute.
Tink.
No 20-minute, 30-minute cub flight with this, Phil.
Video feed feels very sluggish today. But Andy's on, what system are you using, Andy, today?
03, and it's, yeah. It's
03 something.
It's probably...
My signal's good, but my image is terrible. So I've got to check that out. Oh, there's the thing. Missed. Oh, there he goes.
Hey!
Oh, don't spin around me, that's too close. It's going to go wrong, you know that, don't you?
Yeah, we're going to find the same bit of airspace, I think.
There's a footpath here somewhere, not much left of it. Just about there. It's slightly less brown than the rest of it.
Have you landed?
Oh, I'm behind you now. Yeah,
Okay.
I suppose we best land because these packs aren't very good today.
4 minutes, that's the best I'm going to get, I think.
I'm pushing 5 minutes, that's okay.
Look at that, still got his plastic on the controller.
Oh yeah.
Amazing condition. Hen's teeth those now, Phil. Who says that people just fly these drones to look at people through the window?
Andy likes Red Bull.
Yeah.
I like Iron Brew. It's not Iron Brew actually. It's a special container.
Proper man's drink, that, isn't it?
Yeah, drill bits, screwdriver bits, dead useful that.
Gives you wings.
Oh no.
Screws your wings on.
Cracking stuff.
What's this then, Phil?
Can you read, kid? It's Horizon Hobby stroke Iflight Optera. It did have the safe system on it. I'm not safe, so I took that out. It's got some old school FPV gear in it, which I haven't rigged up yet. I've left it in there just for the old time's sake.
Mobius. A flashback from 2010, 2012.
Back in the day. So this thing's had a bit of a life, but I've seen them a lot worse. And I did fly this before the end of last year, and we found out it's a very, very good stable wing.
Inactivity alarm.
We'll have some activity in a minute. Be quiet. We're all ready to go. Click.
I'm gonna try following with a quad. Sadly, the camera doesn't work because it's, you know, ancient. But
I haven't even tried it yet. No.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, nice. I tell you, they still sell these.
Yeah.
And I'm so tempted because they are so
They're
smooth.
about £183. I don't know if that comes with a safe receiver or just basic gear. But for a big wing, they are incredibly stable. Very impressed. I don't like the small wing so much. Even with you know, flight controller or different gyro system, they still seem very twitchy, and without stabilization of your video after the fact, you've not got a lot of good stuff to look at. Yeah, big old cruise. This has got to be FPVs for spring and summer. Be a keeper. Try and put retracts into it. Got a whole bunch of different electric retracts, hopefully some spring-loaded stuff.
So easy to follow because it's massive. What's the wingspan? Like 7 foot?
I think it's about 1.6, 1.8. It's good size.
Yeah. Great for following.
Right, throttled right off. Prop will still rotate because I haven't sorted out the brake on it yet. That's just gliding. Flare, gentle, a little bit of power. Flyby.
Looks like a Vulcan bomber.
Yes, Vulcan bomber or a Klingon bird of prey. That's what I think. That's what I like.
Oh, tree there, Phil.
I
Diesel.
don't care about trees.
I do.
I do like them, but they're not in my way.
It's going to go
So I'm
below
going to turn
freezing.
left into wind, and we're going to do like a roll or two or loop.
Oh no.
So a bit of distance, and I'll shout out. Level up. Ready? We go for roll, power. Up and over.
Oh yes.
And then the other way. Power. Bit of down. Throttle back. Left turn cruise. Dead stick. Low pass coming up.
Gosh,
Bit of
it's
downwind, sleek, fast.
so quick.
Yeah, for a big old wing, she's good. It's like a flat wing section, so not the most slick, but she's good. Little power. Breathe on the elevator. Left bank, cruise you over.
It's killing my battery having to go at these speeds.
Yeah, throttling back a bit. Yeah, so this, hopefully we're going to use the AndyRC gimbal with 2 axes, air unit on it, and do some interesting stuff. Right, we're going to pull back into wind and go for a loop. Try and go for a big stoogey one. So a little bit of height on this turn. Power. Nose down, speed, pull back. Keep on, keep on, keep on, throttle to 50.
That got it.
That's smooth enough. Is that heading into the sun there?
Yeah. Only problem is the O3 camera not as good with the dynamic range as the Vista, so it's just all like a whiteout with the sun. You can see fine, but it doesn't look as pretty as it does with the Vista when it's like this and the sun is setting. So it must be going 3:30 if the sun's setting. Touch and go.
Not quite. She will do it.
Whoa!
Oh, see, I was trying to be clever there. Let's chuck it off and finish the battery.
Very cool. Just watch how he takes this thing off. He throws it without the motor going so he doesn't chop his arm off. And then very quickly puts the power on. So cool.
That was a little bit low. Very forgiving for a big hulking wing. See one, get one. That's what I did.
I don't think Phil paid the full price for it though.
No, I paid like 40 GBP with the analog gear in it. Great fun.
From a swap meet, I think. If you don't know about swap meets, look them up. You'll get absolute
they have
bargains.
swap meets here, there and everywhere.
Phil will do your deal.
I'm not getting rid of this, it's too cool.
Well, my battery on my food blender's run out again, Phil, so I'll have to bring it in for a landing, but that's a really cool thing to follow. It's going to be great with head tracking FPV on it.
I just got to try and keep it in one piece.
Maybe stay away from the electric fence.
Right, can try and land now. She is floaty.
I might just have enough.
Holding it. There you go.
Very nice.
Right in the brown stuff.
So cool. Well, the fire's dying down. Some cool embers, but time to go.
That's just ready for pizza, Andy.
Maybe
Busting, lad, busting.
maybe next time.
Cool.
And there we go, leaving for home. Quite a nice flying day in the end. Still light,